Yes, hello my dear students, welcome back to the Winners Academy. So today we are going to study about grade 10 session, that is sets, right? You know about that is very basic lesson in mathematics, and today we are going to study about the basic things in the sets, right? Okay, so firstly we are going to study about the set notation. That means there are three ways there are three ways to represent a set, right? So basically some not only three ways, there is some one more method also, but basically I can get like this. There are three methods. There are three ways to represent a set. There are three ways to represent a set, right? So now we are going to study about that one. So first one I can write down like this: descriptive method. Descriptive method. And other one is the other one I can get like the method of listing out elements, right? The method of listing elements. Right? Okay, the method of listing elements. Okay, then third one also there. That one is Venn diagram. By the Venn diagram. Okay, so these three are the basic three ways to represent a set, right? So I'm going to take some example there. Yeah, I can get these things like here. In the example one, I'm taking like here, right? So if I'm taking even numbers, yes, if I'm taking the set like here, set A is coming like this. Normally when you are writing the set, you have to write down within the curly brackets, right? So if I'm writing like even numbers, between 0 and 10, right? If I'm taking like even numbers between 0 and 10 here, so you can write down like here, you can write down the same set in the second way, that is the listing out elements. No? So I can list out the elements like this. So the even numbers are coming like 2, 4, 6, 8, like this, right? And in the third way is by using the Venn diagram. That means inside of the circle you have to write down the terms there randomly. 2, 4, 6, 8. Without the commas you have to write down on the circle, and also you have to rename it as capital A, right? And keep in mind that when you are renaming the set, you have to use only the capital letters, right? Okay, so those are the things you have to keep in mind there when you are representing a set, right? So first one is descriptive method. That means we have to explain about the common characteristics about the elements. And the second one is method of listing elements. That one is you have to write down one by one all the elements there. And when you are writing the elements, keep in mind that you can't repeat the same term again and again. You can write down one term only one time, right? So you can't repeat that. Okay, the third one is by using the Venn diagram. The Venn diagram means inside of the circle you can write down, you can arrange all the elements there and you can rename it as that letter, right? Okay. So those are the things, and also after that we are going to study about some other method also. Yeah, there is some other method also, that one we can call as set builder method. Okay, so we can go for that one. Yes, we can go for that topic also, that is set builder method. Set builder method. Right, so I will explain you one example here. Okay, so you can write down like this. If I am taking the set B like here, B equals, we can randomly we can take the algebraic term like x, and also after that you can explain about the characteristics of x, no? So I can write down like x is multiple of 5, x is multiple of 5. Not only that, x is multiple of 5 and it is greater than 1 and less than 10. So you can write down the set like this, right? That means this is called as a set builder method. That means by using the algebraic term you can express like this, right? If I am taking the randomly, we can take the element like x, and also you need to explain what is this x, right? So you have to explain about the x then after. Okay, so those are the things you have to keep in mind, that so you can express this set like this. The set B you can express by the elements like here, the multiples of 5, no? So 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 you can't take that because it is not equal to 10, no? So therefore you can take only 5 here. Okay, so 5 here only you can take here, and also you need to write down like this. The number of elements of set B you can express like here, in B equals 1 because there is only one element, no? So I can express like this. Okay, so those are the things you have to keep in mind in the set builder method. So I think I hope you understood all the things clearly. So those are the things you need to know about the sets there, right? So firstly we discussed that. So what are there are 3 ways to represent a set. First one is descriptive method, another one is by listing the elements, and third one is by the Venn diagram. And also I explained some examples according to those 3 ways, right? And also we went to the set builder method also like this. Okay, my dear students, so I hope you understood all things clearly. Okay, so I am going to finish this session by here. So we will see you in the next session. Take care guys. Okay, bye.